In a vibrant cartoon playground, Leo and his trusty sidekick Dex the Excavator encounter a challenge. Colorful stone blocks stand in the way of their animal friends who want to slide. With an upbeat melody playing, little engineers spring into action. Just then, the cheerful Buster the Bulldozer arrives, his shiny silver blade gleaming. He's eager to help, revving up his engine with excitement. Leo points out the heavy blocks, explaining the situation. Buster assures him that clearing the path is his favorite job. Dex joins the team, ready to tackle the smaller blocks. Together, they gear up for a fun-filled adventure, demonstrating that with teamwork and safety, anything is possible. Their playful spirits and collaboration set the perfect tone for a day of building and fun.